Hi, and welcome back to the Do I Need This shopping network. If you're watching this, you're probably a magician, and we've all been asked that age-old question. How did you get into magic? Well, now you have the perfect response. Introducing Magic in a Matchbox. Before fancy cards, expensive coins and props, many magicians first experienced magic with household items. That's exactly what Magic in a Matchbox represents. Magic with everyday household items that you'll find in your kitchen drawer. You know the one, usually about the third one down, full of bits and bobs. This is specifically designed to perform miracles that regular matchboxes just can't. Make washers appear, vanish and transpose in this fantastic self-working coin box style routine. The best part, the finale. Make a ball, a signed card, or even matches appear in the box at the end of your routine. Order right now and your box will come with built-in reveals that complement effects that you probably already do. So what are you waiting for? Order your answer to the age-old question, how did you get into magic? Right now.